Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a membership site with Kajabi, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Kajabi account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Products tab located on the left-hand side. Select New Product to begin creating your membership site. Choose the membership option from the templates available. Provide a name for your membership site and click Create. You'll be directed to the membership site editor. In the editor, customize the title and description of your site. Add a cover image or video that represents your content. Next, proceed to design your membership's layout. Click on sections to add different types of content. You can include text, images, videos, and even downloadable files. Consider adding a welcome message for your members. To create consistency, use the same branding throughout. Once you're happy with the layout, click on Save. Now, head over to the Offers section on the dashboard. Click New Offer to set up pricing for your membership. Choose your membership product from the options. Define the pricing structure, including one-time payments or subscriptions. Add any bonuses or additional content to entice potential members. Once everything is set up, click Publish to make your offer live. Next, go to the Website tab to adjust your site settings. Choose a domain or a custom URL for your membership site. Configure your privacy settings to control access to your content. Set up your payment processors to handle transactions. After all settings are complete, preview your site to ensure everything looks great. Test the registration and onboarding process to make sure members can easily join. Finally, launch your membership site and start promoting it to your audience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.